Um, this may seem like a dummy video, maybe, but one thing that I guess we don't always remember is that HTML uh, offers several elements that contain meaning. So it each element has some semantic meaning. And such semantics is many times disregarded when we are designing stuff, when we're implementing stuff. We end up using spans and divs, which don't really contain semantic meaning. They're just for us to lay out the elements, then we use some CSS. But there are other elements like the anchor, which I'm showing here, which have semantic meaning, and it can be very interesting to use. So and they even work for more than the stuff that we initially think it works. So we have here an example with the URL, an email, and this is even a simple case of an email. Like we could even put here some initial content for the email if we so desire, and even for a telephone. And this may not look like much, and maybe that's not the time for us to care about it. But if we do that, then we can make use of the operating system functionality for each of those types of destinations. Uh, Clicking here doesn't work. I don't know, there's some, just the first one is working here, but I put it in another tab. And so if I click on email, okay, it opens my email client. In this case, there's no default subject and message because the link doesn't say it. And so I can quickly contact whoever had that. And for the phone, it works as well. So you see, I have FaceTime on macOS, and clicking on a phone gives me the option to do the call. So this is something that I don't see in our application, right? I don't see we using those kind of telephone URLs. We have a couple places that we are using email. Like I recall, there are some places that I just thought of using it, but then I styled as the design was mentioning, but it was not really explaining the design to do so. So most places don't do this. Um, yeah, so that's something. In particular, the anchor, I think it's something that we can really make use of, right? Because we have several places with contact information. Um, yeah, that's about it.